Quality is what ties everything together, because at the end, that's what makes the product what it is and what the consumer like about it.
This World Quality Week, Veeva is celebrating the quality and food safety professionals powering trusted brands and safe, high-quality products.
Quality is everything and everywhere. Of course, compliance will always be part of what we do, but it's not only anymore only compliance.
In my mind, quality culture is first, it's critically important. And I believe it's important for us to share our quality voice and our quality vision with an industry and with all our quality professionals.
Our business is based on trust in our brands. We in the quality organization know how quickly that trust can be lost if there's a significant event, for example, but it also gets eroded in small ways.
These leaders are embracing digital transformation to move beyond compliance, driving efficiency, agility, and innovation across the value chain.
Quality for me always has been at the intersection of processes and systems and people.
I will refer to a quote of one of my previous bosses who stated that a good brand is a promise and a great brand is a promise kept. The quality and food safety culture is about keeping that promise.
Quality is no more about product safety or compliance anymore, because that is job fundamental.
Quality leaders are constantly looking forward, not just solving today's problems, but preparing for tomorrow's.
Keep the vision. Whatever the moment you are in the journey, think big. And keep this big dream in front of you every time when you do the small steps.
It's a huge purpose in what we do. You need to learn all the time. You need to upgrade your skills all the time. And if you like challenge, come to quality.
To all the quality professionals, we celebrate your purpose, your vision, the trust you build every day, and your commitment to thinking differently. Happy World Quality Week!